Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarah. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ano ang wish mo ngayong kaarawan mo?
Okay na. Okay na
Blow
nga.
the candle.
Happy birthday to me. Oh, yay! Isa pa!
Happy birthday, Sarah. Nawa ay patuloy kang pagpalain ng Diyos, gamitin sa kanyang ministeryo, at mag-desire ng puso mo pagkaloob ng Panginoon. Gamitin ka bilang buhay, matibay, na lingkod ng ating Diyos. Patuloy ang pagpalain, open the floodgates of heaven to pour out so much
Joy?
blessing. Salamat sa Panginoon. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you.
And show to His favor
and give you peace.
Peace, peace.
God bless. Ako, ihihip din ako.